It's no longer spring and summer out there, folks. So it's time to do something about your deck or your patio. I'm recording this on that 10-foot light stand with the GoPro at about, I don't know, 9 feet. And what you see me doing here is just moving around, getting my lanterns, getting my chairs, everything situated, because I'm just going to cover it. And these covers that I have are really good. The covers that are going on the ottoman, those are actually fire pit covers. So you go out there and you get the fire pit covers, and they fit perfectly for an ottoman of a nice size. And I can just throw my pillow up under there and everything stays dry, because these are completely waterproof. Right here, I'm just taking up my rug, my patio rug. It has, mold on it and different stuff from over the season. And I won't power wash that before the spring. I will wait till springtime to power wash that rug. But I will put some stuff on it to let it sit in there and get into the fibers. And, right here, I'll just cover the table. I'll take the umbrella, I'll put it up, and just move everything around. Even my plant, the frost hit it, so I'll save the potting soil for that plant and we'll reuse it next year. Now right here, get the water hose. I'll just wet it a little bit. This soap is good for mold and mildew, and I'll just drench it, and try to let it soak in a little bit. Rinse off the deck a little bit. I won't power wash it now because there's still leaves falling. It'll be more rain, it'll be more snow. So in the springtime we'll hook it up, and then we have everything covered. I'll take the rug, I'll put it in the shed, and we'll be ready to go. Just look at this. Completely waterproof. It's a gas fire pit cover. Thank you, and please subscribe. I really appreciate all you guys supporting me, especially the DMs that I'm getting over on Instagram. So have a good one.